Hurricanes Highlights, brought to you by ATB Financial.
Estefan, 2-on-1 with Banco. Estefan waits. Estefan passed off. Manel scores! 16 seconds in. Canes lead 1-0. Play it deep and Holmes picks it off. He gets Brooks, sharp angle, loose in the slot. It's in the crease, dug out, steal a backhand shot. It stayed out somehow. It's under Skinner, a wild whacking party from Mahura. Stretch pass to center after he got hit. True. Here's Mahura left point. Shot tip, they score! Dawson Lidahl in front. The game is tied 1-1 for Hobbs. With traffic, moves in, shoots off the post, and the puck cleared all the way down the ice. Waits, side of the net. Brooks chopped it wide. Had an empty net. To the line, Hobbs. 20 seconds left in the power play. Brooks, steal, shot, saves Skinner. It went off his glove. Brooks will get it. Back across, steal, shot, blocked off the post, I think, maybe. Puto clears and Joseph has a breakaway. Out of the box. Joseph scores! JJ strikes! Canes 2, Pats 1. Chase, Slavotion cuts and then got rocked by 16-year-old Kalen Addison. Hurricanes scoring 16 seconds into the game and adding one in the second. Here's Babenko, shot, scores! Yegor Babenko comes in late, roofs it over the glove of Tyler Brown, and the Canes are in front 3-1. All stolen by Brian Lochner. Point for Harrison into the glove of Stuart Skinner.
Here in Lethbridge.
Not necessarily. They could win it in 5.
They could win it in 5. Well, it's still another hockey game. It'll be in the WHL final.